Hello there, I hope you're doing well. Grab a drink, let's chat and do our makeup together. Even though we're not together, but you can pretend you're in the room with me. I'm going to start off with foundation. So I haven't been filming videos lately. I was sick the last days. There was a sudden change in weather and the temperature. A few days ago it was over 20 degrees Celsius for us. It felt like summer. It was really sunny and warm outside. And then suddenly, after 2 days of rain, we have like almost 0 degrees. We have 2 to 3 degrees. A lot of people got caught sick in the sudden temperature change, including me and my family. So I was sick at home. I had headache, throat pain, stuffy nose and all that. Just felt really uncomfortable for a few days. It's been like 4 days and today I feel like I'm almost fully recovered. Maybe you can still hear a little bit huskiness in my voice, but the throat pain is almost gone. And I got new makeup products. I received my first ever PR package, so I'm so excited to film a video and do my makeup and talk to you guys. I'm going to do contour and eyebrows while I tell you guys the story. You guys know I love Flortte. They're one of my favorite makeup brands and I have bought products from them from their past 4 or 5 releases already. I always pick up something from their collections because I really like the product's packaging, the aesthetics, and the product itself is great, and I also really like the stuff they come up with. And I especially love their hand mirrors. Their hand mirrors are beautiful. Flortte usually come out with 3 different colored mirrors for each of their collections. On their global site, you can buy any of the hand mirrors for $25 each, but on the Chinese official store, you can't buy the hand mirrors separately. They come out with events and you can also exchange for them with points. Every time a new collection gets released, during the limited amount of time, you can place orders, and when you buy 4 products, usually that's how it is, when you buy 4 products, you get a free hand mirror from the collection, but they only give you 2 of the 3 colors of the hand mirrors from that collection. There's always one exclusive color that you can only get if you buy the all-in box, which costs about $700 US. And they usually always go for the pink one. The pink ones are always the exclusive ones that you can only get if you buy the all-in set, and my favorite color is pink. Let me fill in my eyebrows. So I can't shop on the official global website. They don't ship to domestic customers, and on the domestic official store, I can't buy any of the mirrors myself, and I just really want an exclusive pink colored mirror. So I sent an email to the Flortte PR team and asked them kindly if they could send me the pink hand mirror from the Moonlight Mermaid collection. And not only did they say yes, they said in recognition for my efforts for creating content with their products, they want to send me a PR package with $100 worth of products from their website. You guys, I'm so happy and so grateful, and I'm feeling all kinds of emotions right now. This is such a I really feel very grateful and I feel very happy. This is the first time I received free products from my brand for creating videos, for creating content with their products. I feel like an influencer right now. So they asked me to choose $100 worth of products from their official site, and I got these 3 items. I was surprised there was only 3 items, but then I also realized every time I purchase from Flortte, I purchase like immediately after the collection is released. There's always promos, freebies, and discount codes I can use, so I always get a good discount. I get a lot more stuff than I ordered. I'm always very happy with it, and because I always go for the sets, because I know I get more freebies in there and I get a discount on it. Sets are always cheaper than when you choose products singularly. I also went with pretty expensive products. This eyeshadow palette is $45 US, this one is $35 US, and this lipstick is $20 US. I used my amount perfectly. It was exactly $100 US. Gotta give myself some credit for that. Let me show you guys the palettes. So these are interesting color stories that really caught my interest and intrigued me originally, but I didn't have the courage and the commitment to spend $45 US to try out these colors. I'm not sure if I'm able to do looks with them. I'm not sure if I will like them. So that's why when I got the chance to try out products for free, I went for them. I remember I told you guys I was really into this Black Swan palette because of the look on the model on the website. It looked really pretty, but I never played with dark gray and blacks like this. I wasn't sure if I can actually use them on me. I just had to pick these eyeshadow palettes. I don't want to leave behind any regrets. I have to try them out. I had $20 left, which was enough for a lip product, so I went with their new lipstick from the Little Angel collection. So now I have a matching black angel set and a white angel set. I wouldn't be able to get all this without you guys, and you guys matter a lot to me, and I really appreciate all this. I'm very thankful and very grateful for the opportunity, and that's why I'm sharing all this with you guys. I'm sharing my thoughts, my thought process on why I chose these items at all. I hope I'm not babbling too much, and I hope you guys enjoy watching and listening to all this. I love to hear my friends go on and talk about something they're enthusiastic about. That was a word to get out of my mouth. Enthusiastic. So I'm very happy to actually express all my thoughts about all this stuff. Anyways, let's get on to the eye look. I'm not sure if I want to use the Weeping Angel palette or the Black Swan palette, but I prepared accessories to match with it. I prepared a black dress. You guys know I like to wear hoodies and sweaters at home, they're just the most comfy, but I will change into the dress later. And I prepared headbands. I think this one will work with the Black Angel palette. And I borrowed this headband from my mom. Look at all the precious colorful crystals on it. This one will match with the Weeping Angel palette. Actually, you know what? I really like this headband, so I'm going with the Weeping Angel palette. Dipping into brand new flower nose products gives me anxiety. It's okay, we made the first step now. So after I chose the products for the PR package, I was already coming up with ideas and really putting thoughts on what kind of looks can I do with this kind of palettes. And I actually made a little Google Keep notes here. Now that I look at it, I'm really nervous. I'm not sure I can do it. I heard some people say this palette is not easy to work with and they don't recommend it to beginners. Not that I'm a beginner, but I still get very nervous when I heard that. Apparently in the note I drew, I want to go with gold eyeshadow here, blue eyeshadow here, dark brown here, and line it out along with black eyeliner. And I also want to draw a hook kind of shaped black eyeliner here. I did this many days ago, so I don't know what I was thinking at the time, but I'm not sure I will go with a hook eyeliner here, but I will try to match the other colors. Starting with the lighter one of the two brown eyeshadows. Let me see how this will turn out. I never mixed brown with blue before. Now the really dark brown. Smoky blue look. It reminds me of denim jeans for some reason. I really don't want to dip my fingers in that, you guys. I'm going with the blue eyeshadow. I was very enthusiastic about this. I watched 40-minute long videos on this collection and people talking about this palette, people who received the whole collection. So I know that there's going to be 3 shimmery shades and this too is going to be super strong, sparkly, glittery, and this one will be a metallic shade. I was actually more hoping for this one to be the super glittery one. But I also see that people use this metallic blue, and because it's not super glittery and sparkly, they can blend it into the brown and like really blend it into the mattes. I guess that's cool. You guys, I'm playing with the I'm playing with the blue now. I'm playing with the blue right now. I don't know, I'm so happy like a 5-year-old kid when I try out the new eyeshadow. You're like, look at that. That's actually more sparkly than I thought. I thought those wouldn't be so sparkly. Okay, what do we do from here on? Do I try to blend it into the brown? I have no idea what I was thinking when I drew that little note. Oh, it blends super easily into the brown because it has this base color. This dark blue kind of base color. I'm not doing too bad of a job, eh? Now let's try out the gold. I'm not sure this will look like how I drew it on the notes, like really yellow. Yeah, it's not yellow, it's more sparkly than colorful. But it's really sparkly, that's beautiful. Let me do the lower lash line and then we can go on with eyeliner. There's not much to learn from my videos, but I did teach some makeup hacks, like you can pinch a fluffy brush and go under your eyes with it. I don't have that many brushes and I love to play with all kinds of different eyeshadow colors, so I have to multi-purpose them. I think the blue looks unnatural on my skin tone and doesn't flatter me that well, so I will add more of the dark brown instead. Now let me do the other eye and then we can discuss how to move on from here. Just using my fingers to apply all the shimmers. It works well and it's very fun. Why do I feel like the eye I'm doing off camera looks better than this one? Now let's do eyeliner and hopefully I don't ruin it. I have very limited eyelid space, so I like to always start from here, the lash line, and stop about here. Don't walk all the way in, it will make your eyes look extremely hooded. And then wing it out. That looks good. Let's go, I didn't screw it up. I hope you guys all get to try the makeup products and color stories that you was intrigued by and interested in, but you was too afraid to try it out. I hope you guys all get the chance to try it out and hope you guys all will make it work out and have fun with experimenting all these different colors. I could have lived on without ever trying this eyeshadow palette and I wouldn't know what I have missed out on. Okay, that's a bit over-exaggerating, but you get what I mean. Now I'm going to do a black line on the inner corners. The eyeshadow turned out better on this eye, but the eyeliner turned out better on this eye. No mistake, very smooth line. Yet here you can see on this part, that's just 0.01 millimeter too much and I can't scratch it away with my finger. I can't go in with a makeup remover. It will ruin the whole look. It's just, you know that energy when you are a perfectionist but can't get anything perfect and you can just look at it and just feel very uncomfortable about the situation. Let's move on to the rest of the face. I think because we went with brown eyeshadow, I'm going with a warm toned brownish blush under my eyes, on my cheeks. I really love how the eye look turned out, and I'm so happy that I didn't miss out and I really got to try the colors that I was too afraid to try. Oh, and speaking of the hand mirrors, when I first purchased the Moonlight Mermaid collection, I got their crystal clear mirror, and sadly I was a dummy. One day when I was filming a video, I dropped the mirror and it broke off. The handle broke off. I super glued it twice, but still it wouldn't stick. The handle eventually fell off after a few days, so I gave up on trying. And then there was a time where you can exchange for a hand mirror for a limited amount of time using points. And it was also random which one I will get, whether it's a crystal clear one or the blue one, because you can't get the pink one that's exclusive. I exchanged using my points and I got the blue one randomly. I haven't opened it, I haven't used it. I think the blue mirror is also very pretty. And this time I got the mirror that I've always wanted, the third mirror from the collection. So I got all three mirrors. Actually, they came out with a fourth mirror for that collection. During a limited amount of time, during the summer, they came out with a light blue summer limited edition hand mirror. I could get it if I had purchased 4 items during that time, but I think it's silly to buy so much makeup products that I didn't need just to get a free hand mirror, so I didn't go with it. But they did release a light bluish hand mirror for the collection, so there's total 4 mirrors in the Moonlight Mermaid collection. I'm so happy with the pink hand mirror because I see a lot of influencers and YouTubers, Instagrammers use it in their videos, and now I can't get my hands on it because it's not for sale. Now I finally got it, so I'm super happy with it. I'll use this mirror every single day when I do my makeup, and I'll make sure to never drop it again. If you guys have a hand mirror from the Moonlight Mermaid collection, because the top is super heavy and the bottom is so light, make sure you never drop it. It will very easily break on this point. I feel like I could add a highlighter to this look, so let's go to the Little Angel highlighter from their newest collection. I dipped in twice already in this area. I didn't want to get on the face and I didn't want to get too much on the side. It gives a nice glow. Oh, that's beautiful. I don't need highlighters to be super glittery or blinding. I just like it adding a little glow on me, but I also like the super glittery ones. I'm a very indecisive person. If you ask me what's my preference, I don't have a preference. On some days I like this more, on some days I like that more, and that goes with everything. And in makeup, my makeup collection have colorful eyeshadow palettes, neutral eyeshadow palettes, all kinds of different stuff, glittery stuff, matte stuff, shimmery stuff, for all my different moods and interests. I can never go by every day wearing the same makeup look or even wear the same lipstick. I will get bored after twice. Let's finish off the look with this lipstick. I knew I wanted a lipstick from their Little Angel collection with a black packaging to match with the eyeshadow palette, but I didn't know which shade to choose from. It's 3 different shades of brownish colors. I was going to go with the darkest brown shade because I don't wear lip colors like this, but then I thought I actually want to get something more useful and practical and something I'd actually wear, so I went with this shade. It's 7. Yeah, shade 7 Golden Wheat. My lips are still pretty dry these days from being sick, but I hope it won't affect the look much. That's exactly the kind of nude lipstick I've always wanted. Guys, I'm so happy right now. I've always wanted a super nude lipstick, like the ones you would see people wear in Western makeup, the kinds like Kim Kardashian would wear. But when I shop for lipsticks, I always get colors that's either too pink or too orange or too dark. They're never this kind of super nude lipstick that you wear to a smoky look. This time I actually got a color. I think this is the most nude lipstick I have in my collection. Okay, now I'm going to change into, I don't know which dress, and then I'll wear the blue headband. I borrowed my mom's necklace and this headband. I think this dress works better. And this, guys, is a finished makeup look I did. I'm so glad I got to try out this eyeshadow palette. I'm so happy with all the new makeup products I got. It feels like such a big achievement. I'm so grateful and thankful for my first ever PR package. And for you guys, of course. I wouldn't be able to get this without you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos and for tuning in on all my little get ready with me's and for all the lovely comments. I'm so thankful for you guys. Today, I'm very happy. That is so random. This stuff is not scripted, so I don't really know what to say. I just want to tell you guys I'm really happy today, and I'm very thankful for you to be a part of my YouTube community, my YouTube family. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day. Take care of yourselves, don't get sick like me. Drink water, eat food. I will miss you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!